full of fibers. Hello, welcome back guys again. Early in the morning, Roma restaurant. This is the bar of Roma, of course, with such amazing original espresso and Italian coffee, a lot of nice cocktails and nice things. So, what's the best way to start the morning? Another super fresh and healthy juice. Today we're gonna start from ABC, guys. Yes, because we're gonna have an apple, a beetroot and a carrot. Why this juice is so special? Full of fibers. Fibers, they clean your body, they detox your body. Easy peasy. So let's check the ingredients. 1 apple, 1 carrot, 1 beetroot, and enough water to cover everything. Let's cut the ingredients and make this super nice juice, guys. Alright, so we just chop all our ingredients in a small chunk. Alright, then we go with our apple. Here we are, and last our carrot. Alright. And now we cover all our ingredients with water. Let's say it's around 1 liter of water, okay guys? And now, how Chef Paolo say, easy peasy, juice squeezy. Already done. Let's drink it. And here we are, this is the best moment, guys. Let's try how fresh and nice is this juice. Mamma mia ragazzi, it's amazing. The sourness of the beetroot is perfectly balanced with the sweetness of the apple, and the carrot gives this really nice consistency to our juice. This is something you should drink every day. I got many juices, this is one of the best. Check all my recipe, make it at home for your children, for yourself, to always keep more and more in shape. Thank you very much for following me from the bar of Roma restaurant. One day Chef Paolo bartender. So next time, next recipe, always with me. Se vedemo. Bye bye!